A poor can never be rich. The person hiding behind the label of poor with limitless capability can be. We may not know how far we can go unless we know who we really are. This is the focus of today's audio lecture. You will get the problem, solution, steps, and formula for your life transformation. So, watch till the end for a complete package. Let's start with the problem. Ignorance is the root of all evil. When you doubt yourself and believe in others' criticism, you fail to notice your true potential. The essence of you, your spirit, knows no this or that. It only knows infinity. So the closer you get to the truth of your infinite potential, the more easily you remove ignorance. And slowly, clarity on who you are and what you can do grows in your mind. The point is, know yourself first, explore your unique sides, and then you will know what you can do and what you deserve in life. Coming to the solution, stop resisting any doubts or criticism coming to you. Sometimes you may have to fight for your right in a suitable way, but mostly we shouldn't force ourselves to look away from doubts. That will develop more doubt actually. Then what? Let everything come and go without your interference. You may bother a little, but don't give all your attention to it. Let those thoughts come and go naturally. Next, when you get back to a relaxed state, ask yourself, who am I and what can I do in life? Let these kinds of questions sink deep into your subconscious. Think about them. Do your research, but spend time with these questions. As you spend some time looking for the evidence of your potential as human beings, you will start knowing who you really are and how far you can go. This way, your everyday life choices will align with your true nature. In simple words, step 1, don't resist doubtful thoughts or comments. Let them come and go. Step 2, question and investigate who you are and what you can do. Step 3, act from the clarity of who you are and notice different results in your life. 3 simple steps to transform your life. If you are liking this video so far, hit like and shower some love. Now, it's formula time and you can note it down. Your real value plus choices from your real state equals unstoppable growth. We'll repeat. Your real value plus choices from your real state equals unstoppable growth. Summary: ignorance of who you are and what you can do keep you limited in life. From understanding and questioning comes knowledge. From knowledge of yourself comes an opportunity to live life to the fullest. Stop running away from limiting thoughts and comments. Let them come and go. From your relaxed state, be you, be free, and act from the freedom. If you don't invest time knowing yourself, nobody else will. Know you, be you, and give life your best shot. That's it. Check iCard for life-changing content, share with your loved ones, and let life shine bright. Thank you.